is, it's your boy Les and my beautiful wife.
You gonna show people our mess?
It don't matter, baby. It don't matter.
It matters to me.
And my wife.
P-A-T-T-Y and Dubai.
He's ready to go somewhere because he never goes nowhere, so he's very excited. So whenever I get the leash, he goes crazy, he goes insane, he goes berserk. You know what I mean? So right now, we're gonna go walk into this little smoothie shop that's down the block. And after that,
it's not down the block. It's like 2 miles away.
It's down the block. And after that, we're gonna go to the gym because. Let me go ahead and explain it to her.
Okay, so we're starting a new workout routine because we gotta get in shape. All right, so we went shopping. Let me show y'all my gear. I got this at Walmart. Yes, Walmart. I got my whole new outfit with the shoes included. So it's hard to find workout clothes on a budget. So I got my whole outfits from Walmart, and we'll link everything below if we can find it on Walmart.com. I bought it at a store, and we got new shoes. Les got new shoes. So we're gonna start this workout routine. But first, we're gonna take out our dog because we never take him anywhere. So we figured, you know, he needs to get in shape too because he's 3 pounds overweight is what the vet said. So we're gonna take him walking. Come on, Dubai, let's go. Let's go. See?
Yeah, whenever we say let's go, he goes like, oh my goodness, I'm going somewhere. You know what I mean? So he hops up real fast.
Yeah, and when he sees the harness or the leash, he gets super excited.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go walking to get breakfast, which is 2 miles away. And then after that, we got work to do. But we're gonna take you guys with us so you can kind of like live a day in the life of us on our days off.
Exactly. Guys, forget the room in the background. You know, it's a little messy, but we just woke up. You know how it is. You know how it is when you just woke up.
Real deal, okay? This ain't for show. This is us living our real life. I'm tired, but we're gonna get this workout in because we gotta get in shape. But I'm so excited about my new gear because look, I got pockets. Woo, pockets. It's so hard to find cute pants under. These pants are 15 bucks and they're Walmart. So it's cute. It's hard to find cute plus size clothing.
Somebody tell me this, why do females focus so much on the clothing rather than working out in the gym? Actually, you know,
I don't
understand that part.
Let me explain this to me. A female can relate to me. I get motivated when I find something cute to work out in. So I can't go to the gym looking bummy. I know it's just to work out, but buying new clothes motivates me. I'm excited. I'm ready to walk. I got pockets. You know, gym pants with pockets. Where's my other pocket? Oh, it's down here. Gym pants with pockets. I'm excited. I'm ready. See, these guys excited. Let's go, Dubai. Come on. See, she's excited. I'm excited.
All right, let's roll. Let's roll. We're excited.
Vamonos. Yes, I talk a lot.
Yes, she does.
Let me get my ID. Can't leave the house without ID.
Who thinks my wife should start a channel of her own?
No.
Let us know what kind of channel should she start in the comment below.
I have a channel called Patty and Les TV.
Got him.
Let me get. My dog all the time before we go walking in the hot ass sun or whatever, you know what I mean, drink a lot of water, but you gotta keep it. But he doesn't drink water, right? So when you start walking, like a couple minutes into the walk, he gets so damn tired, he starts panting, breathing hard. I look at him like this, told you so, you know what I mean? Look at him, his tongue is all out, he's dying of shit, man. But the good thing is when we get to the spot we're trying to go to for breakfast, I mean not for breakfast, but for my wife to get her smoothie, they have dog bowls over there where the owner will come out and give Dubai. Yeah, they love Dubai over there. Everywhere we go, they love Dubai. So the owner will come out specifically for Dubai with a bowl to give him water. So that's a good thing. So hopefully Dubai can make it there before he pass out because he's tired as hell right now. We're only like a block from my house. We walked for only half a mile. And look. He's out for the count. So right now I'm at Bear Food Shack in Delray Beach. We just walked all the way over here, right? And hot ass sun. My dog is dead tired. So right now my wife is inside getting what we need to drink, cause sweating like crazy, man. So I'm getting a mango smoothie, and she's getting like a mango smoothie and wrap as well because she didn't eat nothing this morning. And this morning I had some cereal, so I'm good. So we're just waiting for her to come outside right now. I say we because it's me and my dog. Got our stuff. I got a mango smoothie over here. My wife got the mango smoothie as well. She has a, wait, what that is, a steak wrap. How was it? Real good? Yeah.
You've had it before?
Yeah, my dog over here.
He has the water on the rocks.
Yeah, he has the water on the rocks. He drank all of it already.
We're gonna be here for a little bit, but don't worry. Oh, goodbye. Oh, I'm like, what the hell is this on my side?
We're walking back home, right? We just got done drinking our smoothies and eating our wrap, whatever. Shit, my fucking straw fall. Well, it's extremely hot, but gotta do what we gotta do. You know what I mean? It's like a little workout. We just came like a mile to the shop and a mile back home. 2 miles, quick 2 miles. It's like we're working out. So we're not gonna go to the gym because we consider this a workout because we're sweating profusely right now, babe, like crazy. So we're gonna just call it a workout session, you know what I mean? And my dog is still tired. I don't know how the hell for. You know what I mean?
He rested like forever.
Huh?
He rested forever.
Yeah, he rested for like 2 hours at the shop, at the Bear's place, whatever. But he's still tired. I don't know if you guys can hear him, but he's panting like crazy right now. So yeah, there's the breeze. There's the breeze. You see the bushes moving? There's the breeze.
Come on, no. He wants to stop every 2 minutes. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Ain't nobody got time for that. Hold up, baby. We got a...
What? Have a beef?
Nah, a leaf. Alright. As we see you guys when we get to the house, alright? Tired right now.
The guy's out for the count. Come on, let's go.
He's tired. He's tired.
Let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. I didn't even walk a quarter mile. I mean, 3/4 mile.
The funny thing is he gets so excited to go out, you know what I mean? But he don't drink water at all.
And when he's at the dog
Can't
park,
really see me.
when he's at the dog park, he's running around like a crazy dog.
Yeah. Now look at him. Now look at him.
I know you still got it in you. Let's go.
Dubai, come on, Dubai. Like
Come on,
2 more
let's go.
blocks left. 2 or 3 more blocks left.
Come on.
Let's go, Dubai. Get up,
Come on,
soldier.
boy.
Get up, soldier. You got this.
Let's give him 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Good boy.
I can use it too, goddammit. Ooh.
$2,000 years later.
We made it.
There you go again. Woo! So guys, I just got like 5 shades darker.
We did it. Finally, Dubai got home.
Yeah, after stopping like 100 times.
Dubai, man. You're losing your game, God.
For real. Anyways, guys, if you guys enjoyed this little vlog, make sure you guys go down below, like, comment, subscribe, share it, do all that.
And follow us on IG.
Yeah, all the links will be down below in the description, right? Follow us.
Plus my outfits.